going on, YouTube family? Zxpredator here with Mac and G TV. You know, Mac went down to get something to eat. We're here at the Vessel in New York City and meeting up with a special guest. You know, for me, it's 2 years in the making. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We got a celebrity in the building. Y'all remember him for what happened last time? Yeah, I got Doug. He was on What You Riding, and now Mr. Expert and Trav's guest. So he's gonna be doing his 360 camera. I'm charging mine because freaking battery. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna have a good time. You know, it's gonna be 60 degrees today. You know, we're trying to make the most of the day because what? The rest of the week gonna be 30 degrees and it's freezing. Yeah, you know. So, all gravy. We're gonna any good day we get, we gotta make it happen. And we gotta thank this guy for making it happen. Oh damn. All right. Beautiful Sunday morning with the producer of Mac and G TV over here. Yeah, doing some good stuff. Yeah, we'll do. So make sure y'all support him. That's my man. He's doing some good stuff. We're growing, doing some things, some networking. So we're just chilling at the Vessel. All right, we'll see y'all on the next segment. He should, you know, he doesn't like, yeah, he doesn't run them lean. If you lean him out a little bit. I had to get this. The custom paint. That is pretty cool, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that messing around. Wait, the motor's in the back or the front? Yeah. Wait, is that a turbo? What the heck is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, got it. Oh wow. good on YouTube, family? We're in the presence of royalty over here. Yeah, no, you! With the ZX10 with the Kawasaki River mark on it. And then there's two of them. Oh, I'm seeing double here. All right. Man, I'm telling you, this thing looks nicer in person. Much nicer, much nicer. Then we got HP4 and the rest of the crew. Just waiting on 2 individuals. Gotta thank Mac for setting this up. King Eve out here doing our thing. Gonna have a good time, good time. got finished doing some misbehaving out there. So me and Ralph got to run again because it was pretty thick in traffic. Good stuff. Yeah. All right. Doing the damn thing. All right. Hey, this the ringmaster over here. Yeah, that was freaking wild, bro. I love it. All right. This is Eve's bike right here. Got Mac over there. So, is everybody fueling up, or I'm still kind of like full. Doug, you got fuel up? Well, I might as well do it too. But screw it. But my 360 camera no longer has a reliable battery. So 360 Fly. I'm switching to GoPro Fusion. Sorry, it doesn't hold a charge anymore. But oh, they gotta take a picture and stuff. All right, folks.
All one for life, girl. I'm going to you out there. Are you going there? Life,
Alrighty, folks. Got CJ in that ZH2 doing some damage out there. Yeah, so setting things up. Got Eve with the two ZX10s 2021. Yeah, so it's on the side. It's on the side, the other side. Yeah, so alright, so yeah, had one race, had interference. Yeah, ran interference, and then Doug got me clean. Yeah. Yeah, he got me on 1 and 9. I want revenge. He got me. So, all right. So, we're gonna see how this rolls. Hopefully, I can get it set up in a way where I can get some footage. Cause yeah, my 360 camera is shot. So, all right, we'll be back, folks. Alright, YouTube. I am gonna use the footage that we took doing some of the back roads in more of a chill pace to do my outro. I want to give a big shout out to Mac from MotoMacTV. That he didn't have to do that. He didn't have to give me the rub and the bump to get me a networking opportunity with 650E. That has been a bucket list item of mine for 2 years, from when I first met 650 at the International Bike Show at the Javits Center, when we were looking at the new BMW 2020 with the redesign and everything, which is pretty cool. And I will just say overall it was a humbling experience, a learning experience, because whether you guys know it or not, this is probably the first time you're gonna see smackdowns on the channel, and there's more to come, you know. So you can say I'm like a rookie in that department, but I will say, you know, if the analogy fits, I was coming to spar and these guys came to box. They came in hot. and I think there were a few ZX10s that were like not playing. So I was like, oh, okay. Hey, there's no warm up. It's like, let's get it on and popping. But I also want to give a big shout out to Slim. He has cool energy, cool cat, willing to share information and whatnot. I mean, I'm following him on Instagram, and I'm gonna have everybody tagged so you can follow these guys. But like I said, this was an awesome experience, and you know, I'm fortunate to be humble in that whole. I took it all in, you know, because at first when I saw 650 again after the 2-year hiatus, I was like, I said, I'm in awe of you. I can't believe like I'm gonna ride with this guy, you know. And like I said, I really meant that. Like that's like royalty. He set the groundwork for a lot of folks. Like anybody who dares to do YouTube motorcycle vlogging, you know 650. You know what I mean? And that was a big deal for me. So I thank you for being a cool sportsman. Even though we gotta get, me and Trav gotta get revenge. You know, he's gonna put his videos and slayed and filleted, and you know, I'm okay with that. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have Predator clips with Arnold killing the Predator in the first movie. You know, some funny stuff. Hey, go wild, have fun with it. You know, but to Mac, he should be having his version of the videos up next week on 650 in his own time frame. But I do appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to my product, to their products, and you know, shout out to the few that was allowed to bring. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.